Okay, so here we have a difference of two cubes. The first thing that you need to do is you need to think about the cube root of each term. So cube root of each term. So you have to figure out for the first one, what times what will equal 343x to the third. And then what times what will equal 64. So you can go play around with that list of numbers that you were given in the beginning of class. But you'll find that 343 is 7 times 7 times 7. And then x to the third is x times x times x. So the cube root is 7x of that first term. So 7x is the first term. The second term is going to come from whatever the cube root of 64 is. So you got to think about what times what is 64. So if you look at your list, it's 4 times 4 times 4. You can play around with your calculator. So the second term is going to be 4. Now, a little trick with the signs. You can remember the signs using SOAP. Okay, the S stands for same sign. So what's the sign right now in the problem? Minus. So the first sign is going to be a minus. I'll just go ahead and fill this in. The second sign is going to be opposite. O for opposite. So I know the opposite of minus is going to be plus. And then this last little guy kind of goes together. Always positive. Okay, so always positive no matter what the problem is. Okay, so remember to get this first term right here, you have to take whatever's first right here and square it. So 7x squared, which means 7x times 7x. And if you do 7 times 7, you get 49. And then x times x is x squared. Okay? The second term right here is going to be by timesing the two together. So the first term is 7x. The second term is 4. So if I times those two together, I get 28x. Okay? And then the last term comes from squaring the last number. So 4 squared, or 4 times 4, which is 16. So if I erase all that garbage, or I just box in my answer, this difference of cube factors to this binomial times this trinomial.